Good morning, students. Welcome to class 9th. Today, in this video, we are going to start exercise 8.1. Okay, let's start. What is the question, students? As you know very well that in a quadrilateral, the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, right? Sum of all angles is 360 degree. So, if sum of all angles is given to you 360 degree and all the angles are given in the ratio also, right? Like 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13, like it is given angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. Okay, in a quadrilateral all the angles are given in the ratio, so you can take first angle as 3x, second angle as 5x, third 9x, fourth 13x, and sum of all angles 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x would be 360 degree. So 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13x would be 30x. So x would be 12 degree. When 30 will be divided, no, you will get x equals to 12 degree. If x is 12, so what are the angles? First angle is 3x, no? So 3 into 12 would be the first angle. Second angle is 5x. 5 into 12 would be the second angle. Third angle 9x. 9 into 12 would be third angle. 13x. 13 into 12. So this was our question number 1. Very simple, right? Now, question number 3. I'm going to explain you. Show that if diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, then it is a rhombus. Okay. One quadrilateral is given to you. Diagonals bisect. Bisect means AO equal to OC. It is given. DO equal to OB. It is given. And at right angle. Right angle means this angle is 90. This angle is 90. This one is also 90. This all the angles at center are of 90 degree. So what you have to prove? You have to prove it a rhombus, right? So what you will do, students? Simply you will just congruent the triangles. First of all, just select the triangle. First of all, go in triangle AOD and triangle COD. Okay. Just do the congruency of both these triangles. How you will do congruency? Very simple. DO common. This one is each 90. Angle AOD and COD would be 90 degree. AO equal to OC, bisect each other given in the question. So both the triangles are congruent. If triangles are congruent, you can say DC equal to AD. Yes or no? By using CPCT. We can say that no. DC equal to BD. Similarly, you can say other sides also equal. If all the sides are equal of a quadrilateral, then it becomes a rhombus. Hence, ABCD is a rhombus. Very simple. Next question. Show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square. Okay. What you have to show? Diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal. Okay. As it is given, AC equal to DB. These are equal. And bisect each other at 90, matlab AO equal to OC given and DO equal to OB. All the sides are also equal and one angle is of 90 degree and bisect each other at 90 degree. Then you have to prove it as a square. How you will do? Just select the triangle and congruent them. I'm going to select this triangle AOB, shaded region, and here you can take COD. Just congruent them. How you will congruent it? AO equal to OC given, here OD equal to OB, this also given, right? By vertical opposite angle, you can take this equals to this angle, right? Both are equal, vertical opposite. Hence, triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent like this. I'm going to draw over here. See. So, if the opposite triangles are congruent, students, you can say that AB equals to CD. If this is AB, you can say that AB is equals to CD. Okay. If AB equal to CD, now you can take AB equal to CD by CPCT, you can take. Now you can take that alternate interior angles are also equal by using CPCT only. Is equal to this by using CPCT. If alternate angles are equal, you can say that AB would be parallel to DC. Just because if alternate angles are equal, then lines must be parallel, right? So therefore you can say that ABCD is a parallelogram, right? If ABCD is a parallelogram, in parallelogram, if you will take triangles, two triangles I'm going to shade over here, AOD, this triangle that I'm going to shade now, this one, AOD, this triangle. Okay, AOD must be congruent with COD. You can make it congruent with this only, right? Shaded region. How you will make it congruent? First one is AO equal to OC. It is given, right? Just because diagonals bisect each other. Okay. AOD equal to DOC. You can take each 90 degree because it is given in the question that both angles are of 90 degree, bisect each other at 90 degree. OD equal to OD common. So by CPCD you can take AD equal to DC. If AD equal to DC and in a parallelogram when alternate sides are equal, then you can say that the triangles, the ABCD can be a square, but to make it complete square, you have to make them one angle must be of 90 degree. In a square, you know the property, no? Like this is a square. If this is AB, A, this point is B, and this one is C, and this one is D. If you want to prove it square, you have to congruent two more triangles. I'm going to take ADC triangle and the second triangle BCD. Okay, this triangle and this triangle you can take and just make them congruent. How you will make AD equal to BC, parallelograms opposite side, BC equal to DC common, right? Okay, and AD equal to AC equal to DB, diagonals are equal, it is given to you, right? The more triangles are congruent. If both are congruent, you can say that ADC equal to BCD by using CPCD. Both these angles can be equal, no? CPCD. In parallelogram, by using co-interior angle property, angle D plus C would be of 180 degree. So D plus C is 180 degree. So one angle would be of 90 degree because both are equal. If in a quadrilateral or parallelogram, all the sides are equal and angle of 90 degree, then it becomes a square. Hence, it is a square. This question was little lengthy. If you are not getting, you can ask me in class also. Okay. Next question. It is given that ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Okay. So what we have to show, AC bisect A and C. How we will do? See. First of all, we will go in triangle ABC. Sides of rhombus are equal. You can say that AB will be equal to BC, right? If AB and BC are equal in triangle this, then angle 1 would be equal to angle 2. Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. If 1 equal to 2, and you can say also 1 equal to 3. Okay, alternate interior angles are also equal. So you can say if 1 equal to 2 and 1 equal to 3, 2 equal to 3. First part is proved that AC bisects angle C. Prove no? 2 equal to 3 is done. It means AC bisects angle C, right? Next, if 2 equal to 4, alternate angles are also equal, then 1 equal to also 4, then AC bisects angle A also. Similarly, you can prove BD bisects B and D as well.